was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, 'cause
Guess we're missing out.
I know. Pretty cool.
There's a dog in first class. Not falling enough to travel with my dog yet. Okay, so the first meal was foie gras and smoked salmon. I'm actually not a big fan of foie gras, so I didn't really eat that. I liked the smoked salmon though, that was really good. Everything was presented nicely plated. I didn't have any issues with the service at all. They were great to me, so I loved it. I especially loved the part where they asked if you want some freshly ground black pepper. That's an extra little perk right there. Alright, so the next meal was cod with seaweed and basil sauce, and also that tan looking thing is leek. Actually it was a little bit sour. I'm not a big fan of that one. I didn't really touch that after I tasted it. But the cod was really moist, really well done, not overcooked, so it was very juicy. So that was really good. And then the cheese, that was really good too. I forgot what kind of cheese that was. And then next was dessert. Oh man, that's vanilla cream was really good. That little cheesecake right there is really good as well. All the dessert was good. Good job. So after all the meal, it was time for me to take a nap. You know, one thing I didn't like about the chair was the button was on the side on the table right there. As you can see me holding on to the button. It wasn't like, it was kind of awkward trying to hold it and, you know, recline. That was the only complaint right there, but other than that, pretty nice. A lot of leg room. Oh, I did ask him if they can give me pajamas, but it was only available for first class, unfortunately. With 4 hours left on the flight, I asked for the mini salmon burgers. They're really small, but really good. Oh man, really good, really good. Thumbs up for them. With an hour and 30 minutes left comes the final meal service. I got the shrimp and quinoa risotto. Oh man, this was the best. That cream looking cheese thing on the top left right there. I don't know what it was, but it was really good. Thank you guys for joining me on this journey on Air France business class from Paris to San Francisco. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button. Please subscribe for more amazing video. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.